What would you do if you owned this money printing machine? This is the money printing machine of the US Federal Reserve, tirelessly operating day in and day out, generating a staggering $60 to $70 billion annually to satisfy demand and replace worn-out currency. But how exactly are dollars brought into existence? The initial enchantment begins with papermaking, where a blend of high-quality cotton and linen fibers is carefully crafted to birth a robust and distinct paper. This magical concoction imparts the dollar with its unique texture and resilience, ensuring it can stand up to the rigors of daily use. Comprising mainly wood pulp and cotton fibers, the dollar's composition balances strength, stability, and tactile quality. To add an extra layer of mystique, watermarks and security threads are seamlessly woven into the paper, enhancing its security and anti-counterfeiting prowess. Once the paper is primed, the enchanting dance of printing commences. A complex symphony of graphic data preparation, involving the collaboration of graphic designers and printing wizards. Through over 10 meticulous processing steps, the offset printing extravaganza sees both sides of the paper adorned simultaneously, demanding flawless precision at every turn. The pivotal intaglio printing phase unfolds as the paper gracefully maneuvers through the printing press. Heavy pressure applied to the ink plate results in a magical emergence of intricate designs and unique raised textures, a hallmark of intaglio printing. This pressure ensures the ink securely bonds with the paper fibers. Bills that have undergone the mystical journey of intaglio printing and other intricate processes are ushered into the numbering machine, where each bill is bestowed with a distinctive identity, easily recognizable and one of a kind. The subsequent testing phase acts as a magical quality control, scrutinizing every detail of each bill for physical defects such as tears, stains, or printing anomalies. The grand finale unfolds at the cutting station, where the paper is meticulously sliced both vertically and horizontally, birthing the dollars that seamlessly integrate into your daily life. Now escorted by security teams on land, air, and sea, these freshly minted dollars traverse the nation until they reach their destined locations. Deposited into cash machines at an astounding rate, this remarkable machine boasts a productivity that surpasses imagination, producing over $11,000 per hour.